Always pandemonium at the Holmes house when dinner time comes around. Let me show you how to make chicken Alfredo. You can tell by the tattoos this was the bacon tray. We're gonna remove any of that. We're just gonna go ahead and throw on our French bread to make our crostinis. Just lay out all your bread flat. I said flat. You know, this is only day-old bread. I always go over and check it for mold. You never know around here. It's always a plus to find it now and not find it later, because then it could really ruin someone's meal. For a little drizzle of olive oil, garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, salt and pepper, or whatever you want to use, let's go on your bread. That back in the oven to get them some toast. Let's get started on that chicken. Avocado oil to lube up the pan. Chicken thighs, press them down flat so they get good contact with the pan. I usually use chicken breasts, but tonight thighs were cheaper. It's all right, I'm a thigh guy anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and cook the entire pack so that way I don't have anything just hanging out in the fridge. Hands of waste, we're gonna come in here and just season that chicken liberally. And turn off that stupid timer. Kids in the room, I'm sorry I said stupid. I'm also sorry that I said it again. Philadelphia. It's the perfect time to bring your sink water to a boil. And grab a quick temp. As long as we're over 165, we're Gucci. And they got perfect color. I know what you're thinking. If I set this off to the side, my chicken's gonna get cold. Just tin it with foil. It's not gonna take that long to make the sauce. It's gonna give me a dirty look, but this recipe is double. That's 2 sticks of butter. I know, right? You thought you were watching Paula Deen cook over here. Now that we've scraped all the flavor bits up off the bottom, with 5 cups of heavy cream. Remember, this recipe is 2x'd. Just like your mama. Just moving until it comes up to a light boil. That way the butter and the cream get to know each other. UFO salt that pasta water until it tastes about like what you think the ocean would taste like. You do not have to use this brand. I just hear good things. The whole box. I know it doesn't fit. You're gonna have to just kind of just work with it until it all goes in, okay? See? Told you. Just gotta work with it a little bit. You just gotta keep poking at it until it all goes down in the water. Make sure you keep that Alfredo sauce moving. And I know somebody out there is gonna be looking at the screen saying, "Can't eat at everybody's house. He didn't even wash his chicken." You didn't wash below your knees in the shower, did you? You just think the water's gonna take care of it? Light boil, a couple tablespoons of garlic, Italian seasoning as much as you like, but a tablespoon of parsley. Stuff right here. I promise it's not spicy, it's just good flavor. If you put too much, it might get spicy. I'll lose you on this one, but you're gonna have to trust me. Teriyaki sauce, about a tablespoon's worth. Let those all get to know each other for a few minutes. Extraterrestrial pepper. We like pepper around here. Now for your Parmesan cheese, I always go freshly shredded. I have one of those little fast shredders. If you need one, they work out really well. You're gonna wanna get this moving quick, because if not, it'll stick to the bottom and burn. Smart me decided to start using a whisk. Yeah. A little bit of pasta water. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just to get that starch in here moving around. Reach over and knock that heat off and then let it thicken up. You wanna know whenever your sauce is perfect? It's whenever it coats the back of a spoon. It's a good time to taste test it as well. You might need to add a few different ingredients for your liking. Just needs a little bit more teriyaki because I'm trying to get rid of that bottle. You can do the most important part of the meal. Family! Dinner's ready.
Why? Yay! Why did you say so?
I did. I made chicken Alfredo.
Is it very spicy?
Is it very spicy? That depends. You think pepper's spicy? It's probably spicy. No, Mr. Key, this is my Alfredo. Get out of my kitchen. Get. Now that you waited, it's time to be plated. This one is the wife's plate. She requested noodles. Not the kitty. Broccoli. And then sauce. There you go. Put the sawdust on as you please. Plate number 2. I went with the fresh pasta. I'll put my broccoli on the side. Looking for any kitchen knives, and mine was a little used, but these Spyderco knives are really sweet. The chicken thighs. Looks pretty good and juicy to me. Chicken up top and the sauce. You can add a little bit of that Italian sawdust if you want to, but tonight, that's good enough for me. My friend Carmen Wilkin would say, that's all there is to it. My oldest has already told me she doesn't want any of it, so. More for us, I guess. How's it look? Divine. Them chicken thighs were the move. Get you a paper towel because you were drooling a little bit right there. Go ahead and hit follow while we'll clean you up. I make easy recipes just like this one, so that way you and your family can eat at home a little bit more this year. I guess I need to clean myself up too a little bit. Watch this. Hey baby.
What?
Praise the Lord. Come on.
Raise him.
Ah! It's a miracle. No, I didn't forget the bread. It's over here. It's not that it got dark. It's just really crispy, so. You can make that if you want to. It's good for soups and dips.